everybody, today we're gonna make cupcakes for little bit. I'm going to go to Grandma. What we need for making cupcakes is oil, vanilla, baking powder, milk, 2 eggs, and sugar. Let's start! We need a bowl and crack 2 eggs and some sugar.